Today, I'm going to show you one of the craziest advancements when it comes to creating online courses. Honestly, I believe it's never been easier to create amazing online courses, and you can literally do it in minutes without showing your face and without even using your own voice. So let's get straight into it. We're going to be using a platform of software called Descript today, and we're going to be using a special feature they have here called 10 slides into video. But before we do that, we need to actually create some slides. We need to create a script so we can start creating this course. What we're going to do is head over to ChatGPT. And so when we get to ChatGPT, I'm going to come up with a random course. I need you to create me a 5-minute lesson on a scientific way to become better at badminton in just 60 minutes. It sounds crazy. I don't know what's even going to come out of this. Give me the complete script without annotations. I just want the script. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, now it's going to give us a script. In the meantime, I'm going to go open another software called Gamma. And with Gamma, we can feed it this script and it's going to turn it into slides for us. Okay. All right. Now, obviously, if we're actually creating a real course, we're going to create a full outline for every lesson inside this course. We're going to have a specific problem, a specific market, and a specific outcome in mind. We're going to create the full-blown outline. We might have 10, 12, 15 lessons, and we're going to create scripts for each of those lessons. We're going to take those scripts. We're going to come over to Gamma, and we're going to start with one script at a time. So we're going to take that script. We're going to feed it here. We're going to go with presentation, traditional presentation. Or we can even go with this default, but I think traditional is better. If we go with the default fluid, some slides can be bigger than others. Okay, so we're going to leave it as that, select traditional. And we're going to say, summarize long text or document. Continue to prompt editor. And now we want to have it concise. We don't want too much text on each slide. We can choose a theme from here. Let's not spend too much time over here. Let's just go to view more. Let's see what themes we have available. This is to do with sports, badminton. Okay, I think I will go with, let's go with this keepsake theme. Image source, we'll just go with automatic. Cards, how many cards do we need? We've got about 800 credits. So yeah, let's go with 10 cards. So we'll have 10 slides technically. Click generate. Okay, master badminton in 60 minutes. Science shows you can make real noticeable improvement in just 1 hour if you train your brain and body the right way. Okay, now we could obviously just go and we could tweak this and make it look better. If we wanted to center align all of this, we could do that. I won't really go and spend too much time on formatting this presentation. I'm going to leave it as it is. Like, I don't like all this white space over here. I would maybe go like, maybe increase this text here. Let's see what we can do. Large text. Okay, sure. Yeah, let's just keep it as that for now. I would center align that heading. Phase 1 activation. Cool. Deep practice, speed calibration, game simulation. Nice. Cool down and consolidation, your path to mastery. Okay, great. So we take this now, and what we want to do here is click on these 3 buttons and we're going to export it to PDF. So we're going to take our PDF. And now that we have our PDF downloading, there you go, it's downloaded. We're going to go back to Descript. Inside Descript, let's enlarge this. We're going to click on 10 slides into video. And over here, it's going to ask us to upload our PDF presentation. So we're going to click on the attach. We're going to go upload from computer. And we're going to upload the PDF presentation. And so now we need to just give it a few minutes. Going to process all of these slides. Master badminton in 60 minutes. And now it's just processing. I need to actually submit that. Let's hit enter over there. your slides from are uploaded. I will now create your video from the uploaded slides and handle all narration and visual styling automatically. What this is going to do is actually create the script for me. But I'll show you what we can do about that in just a moment. So I'm actually just doing this in real time, just so you can see how quickly it actually does all of this. I know in the past, you'd be preparing scripts and then you're creating these slides and then you're trying to voice over them. Then you need to do editing and it's all just a big fat mess. Now, this is exceptionally powerful if you are creating faceless digital products. Maybe you want to add some bonus content into your products. Maybe you want to create a VSL for your landing page, where it doesn't really matter who is behind the training, who's the face of it. And if you're using like AI avatars in your business, there's so many ways you can utilize this creation process. For me, we breathe faceless digital products. Okay, this is what we do day in, day out. We're creating faceless digital products in a wide range of niches. And so for us, this is absolutely groundbreaking, where we can just create courses like super, super quickly, whether it's upsells or front-end products or bump offers. We can just do it tremendously fast now, thanks to this process over here. So now it's just still processing the changes. Let's just give it a moment while it attributes parts of the text to each slide. Okay. So applying the layout. Slide 1, 2, 3, 4. So determining the layout over here. Let's just give it some time to process all of this. Now the layout's been applied, but we can see the job's still not done here yet. Still all black, empty. Mapping video outline to the created scenes. And there we go. So our slides are here now. All right, awesome. Now what we can actually do is if we go back to ChatGPT, we can say, we're going to feed it the slides. I'm going to map it to Descript. These are my slides. Map it to the script for me. I don't even know if that's the right way to put it, but ChatGPT will understand what I'm saying. Give me the entire script back with mapped to each slide. Okay. Now just reading it and it's going to bring this back for me. So we can take this now. We can return to Descript. And instead we can use our script. Okay. Cool. And we could do this so on and so forth, right? We're just going to come back here every time you need the right one. So that's for slide 2. So we come to slide 2 and we replace this with the text. Unexpected error, try again. Let's just let that process. We need to remove the speaker for a moment. Okay, cool. So we have that there, and we would do it so on and so forth. We do it for each of these slides. We would just upload our own script, and then we can go to a speaker, and they have stock AI speakers, or you can train it on your own voice, and you can use your own voice. My voice sounds a little bit weird when using this, so I'll just go with one of these voices. Bernard, okay, cool. I will put that over there. And we just now let this process. And you can see it asks you some other things over here as well. If you like, you can even create an avatar and then you can have it lip sync the avatar, and you can have an avatar in the corner as well that's narrating this entire thing. But the avatars are a teeny bit weird. They're a bit more cartoony rather than realistic. So no big deal doing that. If you wanted to go the extra mile, I would recommend creating your avatar in HeyGen, and then you could just pull that video, put it in the corner of here, and then just map that HeyGen avatar to each slide. And that way you've created presentation plus video content that seems very human and very natural. It's quite amazing. Now I'm just going to put my headphones on for a second and actually listen to this.
Most people think getting better at badminton takes weeks of training, but science shows you can make real noticeable improvement in just 60 minutes if you train your brain and body the right way. Your brain learns movement through what's called neural patterning. Every swing, every step, every serve you repeat creates a stronger neural pathway.
This is absolutely wonderful. And so just like that, you'd go through each slide. I'd put my script there. I select the speaker over here. And when I'm done, I'm just going to come to export, and you have 10 unfilled placeholder layers that will appear in the video. So we could even ask it here, can you remove the placeholder layers? I'm actually just testing this. I've only started using this feature here, and I just find it pretty amazing. So it's just going to remove all the placeholder layers for me. So I don't even have to do the editing on that and find each of these layers and remove them. That's wonderful. So here they are, all of them. Let's see if Descript actually removes them all for me. Processing changes. We'll see. What do we even do with these placeholder layers? Even I'm a bit confused by that. Maybe over there is where we can put the avatar if we wanted. And it's got this whole blue transitions. I'd imagine we can even ask it to create better transitions for us. We can enlarge these so we can get rid of those blue edges over there. Okay, that background. I noticed it's got this black line. It had it over there. We can just go through each of these slides. We can just enlarge them to improve the formatting. And as we can see, the placeholder layers are gone as well. And so yeah, it would just be a matter of going in each of these now and just enlarging them so we can get rid of those lines. You can even crop it. That's another way. Like you can just click here, you can just crop that stuff out. But I think enlarging is just a more effective way of going about it. Just like this. And kaboom. And so you just do this for all of them, and just like that, you are going to have a complete video lesson. And so you can imagine this is like a 2-minute one. This is a short script. I haven't even uploaded the entire script. Actually, it'd be a 3 to 5 minute video, and I could do this for all my videos. How long would it actually take me? Maybe 10 minutes tops. Waiting on Descript. You're not actually doing any work. Descript's doing all the work, and you do that over 10 minutes per lesson. Let's say you're producing a 15-20 minute course. In 2-3 hours, you can produce an entire course, and you can make it as valuable as you want, because you don't have to worry about recalling the knowledge from your brain. You can just prepare a very powerful script, feed it with everything you want, with studies, with references, with resources, with real insights, up-to-date news, whatever you want. And you can plug it into that script, add it in here, map it to the slides, select your voiceover, train your own voice, or you can, in real time, just voice over each of these slides. And there you go. You are ready to go. So 10-15 minutes per lesson, as valuable, as thorough, as detailed as you want it to be, without any stutters, without any mistakes, without repeating yourself, without having to make any cuts. Like just clean, valuable, solid information. So I think this is absolutely groundbreaking. I only uncovered it not so long ago, and when I did, I was like, damn, I need to shoot a video on this. I think everyone who is in the digital product space, producing and selling digital products, and maybe even if you're doing it for your clients, you need to create a VSL for them. You need to create a digital product, a bonus for them, an additional offer for them. This is the absolute best way of doing it, in my opinion. And so all you need to do from here, just go to export. You can upload it to the cloud, or you can do a local export. You can export it to your PC, and then boom, just hit export. And before you know it, you are going to have a full-blown lesson done within minutes, leveraging AI. That's me. Hope this video served you well, and hope it proves valuable to you. If you're excited about it, drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts, and let me know how you are going to utilize this.